Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start NEET chemistry crash course for 2023. So you know that the exam is on May 7th, the first Sunday, and we have 28 days left for this. Let us plan a strategy, and before that let us write the topics. On the left side I have written grade 11 topics. So we have 14. On the right side I have written grade 12 topics, that is 16. So 14 plus 16, you have 30 topics. So very well we can complete in this 28 days left. So let me talk about the topics. Grade 11, if you see, so most of us recently you have completed the examination of 12, so you will be thorough with this up to 90%. So start with the grade 11 topics because the concepts are not in touch for the past 1 year. What are those topics? 14 topics. So basic concepts of chemistry, physical. If you want, I will write the branch also. Physical chemistry, structure of atom, physical, periodic inorganic, chemical inorganic. This is again physical, thermodynamics, physical, equilibrium, physical, redox, physical. So inorganic, and here you have organic. So what is the important thing is the physical chemistry concepts, let us do last because it takes more time. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 14 grade 11 concepts, that is physical chemistry, we will do last. So first we will complete the inorganic. What are the inorganic concepts? That is nothing but periodic classification, chemical bonding, then so we can take hydrogen, simple topic. S block, P block, we can take. Right. So inorganic are here. So we can write I inorganic. Now these two deals with the organic chemistry and environmental chemistry general topic. So first we can complete. See, out of this 8, 14 inorganic chemistry as well as organic chemistry, we will do it first. After completing, then we will write formulae and we will do the physical chemistry concepts, which I will be teaching you in an elaborated way in the next lecture. This is lecture number 1. Coming to grade 12 topic, 16 are there. Once again the same strategy we will apply. What are the physical chemistry? Solutions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics. Then fine. So you got 4 physical chemistry topics, which will be done at the last because it takes more time. So this will take more time. Keep it at the last. But surface chemistry, metallurgy, P block, D and F, coordination compounds, up to this. Inorganic, we can start first, not an issue. And the remaining things are organic. So this portion, what you have, organic chemistry. So I will teach you how to solve a question. I cannot teach you completely. So this is an introduction about what are the topics and how to start reading in 28 days. Okay. So now we have done NEET chemistry crash course introduction. In the next, so this is a lecture 1 of chemistry NEET. In the next we will see basic, that is we have discussed here, right? First we have to take inorganic chemistry concept. So we will start with inorganic and organic, that is 8 we will finish. For your information, again I will start with NEET biology crash course concepts also. In the same way, first we will do the introduction. Hope you have understood this and you will study along with me for the upcoming 28 days. All the very best to you. Thank you so much.